Hi, my name's Hi, my name's MissFortunate, and today we're going to be doing our makeup. Well, I'm going to be doing my makeup. This is partially because I feel like I have to prove to Amanda and all of you that I can do makeup, even if you watched me freaking destroy Amanda's face. If you didn't watch whenever I tried to do my friend Amanda's makeup, I will link that in the description. But I can do makeup, and I'm about to prove it to you, probably. It is also October's, and I don't know when this video will be up, but right now it is the 2nd of October, and I'm gonna do my makeup for Halloween. Yay! We're gonna do that, and I'm going to talk while I do that. See if I have anything to talk about, so cool. First things first, I need to get rid of these. I can't see shit, so I'm just gonna pretend that I look beautiful. And then one of these, because I'm bad. First of all, I am going to wear foundation. I usually don't wear foundation, but I'm going to today. I always use Bare Minerals, these, and I'm going to prime my face using their original foundation primer, so that's cool. No, but I was at work a few days ago, and your boy was just having a good time doing whatever. And I went to get the wreaths off the door at my work because I work retail and we have wreaths on the doors. And whenever I went to take them off, we have this one wreath holder that's like, it has a little leaf thing on it and it's made of metal. And those things are really sharp and I didn't even know, so I went and I took it off the door and I don't know, it just slid and part of the leaf went right to my finger. I'm like, ah. Couldn't put it down because if I moved my hand at all, it would go further down and it would hurt even more. And I was like, oh god, this is how it ends. So yeah, so that's what happened to me. I use fair because life isn't fair. Wait, this isn't what I do now. What the fuck am I doing? I need to put on concealer. I use Maybelline New York's concealer. You know, I think one of the most satisfying feelings that a person can have is when you get caught up on your homework. Like lately, I've gotten 2 jobs and I'm also in college, so that's fun. So I've been a busy bee. And I'm finally at this point where I don't work at all today, I don't work tomorrow, I have 1 class. And all of my homework is done already. I could do some extra homework and get a little more caught up for next week, but do I really want to go through with that? I think after this I'm also gonna go Halloween shopping and just kind of look around the Spirit Halloween store and Target and stuff. See if I get any compliments on my makeup. Why am I awful at everything? Always bring your foundation to your neck so that your neck matches your face. Even though my neck already doesn't match my face because I'm super pale here, but for some reason the sun decides to make my face all darker and red, and it's like, ugh, why are you like this, world? Who's texting me? Oh, it's just my Klepto Dogs app. Highlighter, which is the best part of every makeup thing. It is Afterglow Highlighter by Urban Decay. Urban Decay is my child. No, it's literally not. I actually got this for free for my birthday. So, that's cool. Finished watching this one anime called Happy Sugar Life yesterday. If you watched my other video where I talked about anime, you know that's the one that's really, really fucked up. And that ending had me dead. Amongst other people. So I'm going to be using my Kristen Leanne Urban Decay palette, which is my favorite thing ever. I'm running out of pink. It makes me upset, but it's fine because we're not going to use pink today. So I'm going to first prime my eyes using Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original one. And we're just going to do that. Sometimes I feel so happy with myself because I have so much makeup to choose from. I'm so fortunate to be able to have things like that and good eyeshadow and whatnot. It's great. I have 2 bags now. I have this small one with all my smaller things, and then I have this that's freaking covered in pins. all of my Hero Academia pins, and then all of these that I get at conventions. This bag used to be part of Marcia's collection, and now it's just covered in pins. Okay, so what I think we're gonna do is we're going to do like black and then like an orange middle, like a halo look, and then maybe put orange or purple underneath. So I think that should be cool. We'll see. We'll see. I'm sure I'll ruin it. So I'll take this black color, 13th floor, and we'll just get right on. I'm scared. Okay, I think that's actually pretty decent. So I don't think it has to be perfect in the middle because I'm just going to cover it in orange anyway. Okay, so it doesn't look perfect yet, but that's okay because now we're going to put the orange in the middle. Yikes. Okay, so this orange, like, it lasts freaking forever, and there's just so much, and it's so pigmented. I love it. Doesn't look as good as I thought it would. Maybe this is one of those things that I need to, like, finish the look before it looks good. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's whatever, it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna take purple and put that underneath my eye, and hopefully it'll look decent. I feel like this might have actually looked better if I put just orange and purple on the eye. And we're gonna work with it for now. I don't think I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I'm going to go wash this one off because it doesn't look as good as I thought it was going to. And I'm gonna try something else. So give me 1 minute. So I got most of it off. Now I'm gonna try something different. This time, I'm not gonna use the black around. I'm gonna use the purple and see if that looks any better, which I think it will. Purple is honestly so hard to work with though. Yeah. That is so much better. That is way better. Okay, then I'm also gonna bring the purple underneath. My go-to eyeliner is this NYX matte liquid liner. This is my go-to, my love, my dearie. I think we're gonna do like the entire thing. Usually I only start like towards the middle and then I have my wing. I think we're gonna do the entire eye this time. So see if I even remember how to do that. Okay, someone please remind me not to drink coffee before I do my makeup. Always do my makeup before I drink some goddamn coffee. Because my hand is shaking like there's no fucking tomorrow. Okay, so I have my eyeliner on. I think it's looking a lot better than it did. I look kind of crazy. I haven't worn like dark eyeshadow in a while, so I'm like, but I'm not hating it, so that's cool. Is I'm gonna take a little bit of this Stila glitter liquid shadow. This one is in the shade Gold Goddess. It's just the gold one. Put a little dot like right here or something. I like that. I also realized that I forgot to put like a highlight kind of like in the corner of my eye and on my brow bone, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. Oh geez, oh. Oh geez, oh no, oh, ow. That caused like a big freaking chunk of eyeshadow to fall into my eye. I'm just not having a good day. I blame the purple. But we're about to bring this all together using Lash Paradise mascara. Let's make this look good. I don't feel pretty. I don't really want to put this lipstick on. I'm not going to. I don't know, I love lipstick and all, but it draws attention to my teeth. I don't like that. And you know what, that one's just really uncomfortable. It's Anastasia Sad Girl liquid lipstick. It just dries out so fast. It's beautiful, but it dries out a lot. So I'm going to put on a cute outfit and show you the finished look. Okay, and here it is. I'm wearing a Tokyo Ghoul shirt and these pants that are like that. And I think I'm ready for Halloween. Yay! Okay, so let's zoom in, take a look. I don't think it's too bad. I feel like my skin looks really crappy, not with all the light, but I guess I'm not mad. Yeah, I'm not mad. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments something about you. And I reply to all my comments. I reply to all of them. I always like them. I see them. I read them all. So be sure to talk to me. Also, you can reach out on any of my social media. I have them all linked in my description as well. I love making new friends, and everyone who watches my videos are my friends. So don't be shy like me. So thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Bye.